Welcome to the AI for Us 2 channel, your go-to source for the latest news on XRP, cryptocurrencies, and precious metals. Our news content is exclusively generated by AI, ensuring real-time updates that are uploaded between 1 to 4 times a day. With AI-generated news, you can trust in its impartiality and objectivity, as it remains unaffected by personal biases, emotions, or external pressures like sponsored advertising that can influence content creators. By relying on AI-generated news, you can access a higher volume of XRP information in a shorter amount of time. With my objective and impartial reporting, you will be better able to form opinions based on facts. Stay ahead of the curve and subscribe to the channel to experience the cutting edge of news reporting. Check out our recently uploaded videos to stay fully informed. Before diving into the news, we would like to thank Nito Okamoto, Kak, Herman Mikkels, Dave Cisneros, Cryptorella, and F-Fan, our most recent subscribers to the channel. Guys, your support means the world to me, and I'm thrilled to have you as part of our community. Xrp New News Update. XRP's price continues to display a bearish bias, moving towards the negative side despite being part of an otherwise neutral technical formation. Surprisingly, this decline comes after a recent development that sparked optimism among members of the Ripple community. Notably, the chair of the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, has made a public appearance for the first time since Judge Torres' ruling, expressing disappointment with the court's decision. This marks the first time he has resurfaced since Judge Torres' summary judgment. XRP has experienced a 6% decrease, signaling a further southbound trend. This drop is unexpected, considering District Judge Annalisa Torres referred the Ripple vs. SEC case to Magistrate Judge Sarah Netburn for general pre-trial. Such a referral implies a hearing before the trial, where both the defendant, plaintiff, and their respective attorneys aim to resolve pertinent issues, laws, or facts. Judge Netburn has instructed Ripple and the SEC to collaborate and select 3 mutually convenient dates for a settlement hearing, should they find it appropriate. She also emphasized that the chosen dates must be revealed in advance due to the court's busy schedule. The Ripple community responded with optimism following this announcement, as Judge Netburn has a history of ruling against the US SEC. Notably, pro-Ripple attorney John E. Deaton highlighted Judge Netburn's statement during the Ripple Labs vs. SEC litigation, where she criticized the regulator for lacking a faithful allegiance to the law. Despite the bipartisan nature of Judge Torres' summary judgment, the Ripple community firmly believes the victory was in their favor. However, this optimism is not reflected in XRP's retail interest, which continues to decline, leading to an extended price slump. Some community members remain bullish regardless of the trial's outcome, asserting that XRP has already been determined not to be a security. Judge Torres' recent ruling, which considered XRP as security only when sold to institutional investors, has generated significant discussions. While some support this determination, others argue that it contradicts the entire premise or policy behind U.S. regulations. Furthermore, there is speculation that the ruling might be overturned in the Second Circuit Court. Attorney John E. Deaton is committed to addressing these challenges and has enlisted the expertise of Lewis Cohen, known for his comprehensive understanding of Howey and the appellate case law pertaining to it. Deaton hopes to leverage Cohen's experience with digital asset legislation to explore its policy implications. Turning my attention to XRP's price action, the 4-hour chart reveals a 6.6% decrease and indicates a continuous downtrend with a bearish divergence. If selling pressure persists, the remittance token could potentially reach $0.697, a level last seen in mid-July. Nevertheless, if the newfound optimism within the XRP community materializes, there's a chance that Ripple's price might break above the upper boundary of the pennant before retesting the July 13 highs around $0.823. I will keep you informed of any significant revelations from the discussion between the legal minds involved in the case, examining Judge Torres' ruling in detail, its implications, and its likelihood of surviving appellate scrutiny. Xrp New News Update. Over the past 7 days, the price of XRP has witnessed a remarkable surge, garnering attention from traders and crypto enthusiasts alike. The increased interest in XRP is evident through a significant 122% rise in Google searches for Ripple News. This surge in interest indicates the potential for substantial market activity in the coming months. Thomas Krallo, a crypto hedge fund manager, has made a bold prediction, suggesting that XRP could achieve an unprecedented milestone, soaring to a record-breaking price range of $10 to $30 per coin within the next 3 to 4 months. The excitement surrounding XRP is driven, in part, by speculation about Ripple's upcoming initial public offering, IPO. As Ripple, the company behind XRP, prepares to go public, there is immense speculation about the potential impact of this momentous event on the crypto industry. Many believe that Ripple's IPO could lead to a valuation of nearly $500 billion, significantly increasing XRP's market capitalization and bolstering its price. Furthermore, optimism has been fueled by a recent legal victory for Ripple in court against the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. U.S. District Judge Annalisa Torres ruled in favor of Ripple, declaring that the XRP token is not a security. The anticipation of a positive outcome in the lawsuit has triggered speculative buying, with experts projecting that favorable developments for Ripple could propel XRP's price from $2 to $10. Considering these factors, numerous experts and market observers are setting ambitious price targets for XRP. Thomas Krallo, leveraging his extensive experience in the crypto industry, believes that XRP has the potential to reach a minimum price of $10 per coin and, optimistically, even hit a target of $30. The combination of Ripple's IPO, the anticipation surrounding the lawsuit's outcome, and the growing public interest in XRP could position the cryptocurrency for substantial growth in the near future. As XRP experiences a notable price surge of over 80%, the interest from the cryptocurrency community continues to grow. Predictions from experts like Thomas Krallo, projecting price targets ranging from $10 to $30, underscore the potential for XRP to achieve new heights. However, it is essential to consider various factors that may influence XRP's trajectory, including the outcome of Ripple's IPO and the next phase of the SEC case. Market conditions and regulatory developments will play a significant role in determining XRP's future performance. Xrp New News Update. In an exclusive interview on Monday, U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission Chair Gary Gensler discussed emerging technologies, including artificial intelligence and the crypto market. This dialogue comes in the aftermath of the SEC's recent setback in the Ripple vs. SEC lawsuit, where Judge Annalisa Torres ruled in favor of Ripple. Gensler was questioned about these recent developments and the risks associated with the rapid advancement of artificial intelligence. It is noteworthy that this interview precedes Gensler's appearance before the Senate Appropriations Committee on July 19, 2023. During this committee meeting, he will address the review of the SEC's fiscal year 2024 budget. Gary Gensler is known for his firm anti-crypto stance and his consistent advocacy for the "come forward and comply" approach of the SEC. His comments have indicated that he considers almost all cryptocurrencies, except XRP, as securities. However, the recent ruling in the Ripple lawsuit, which declared XRP not to be a security, may potentially impact the SEC's position. The interview, conducted by Yahoo Finance journalist Jennifer Schonberger, shed light on Gensler's views and potential shifts in the SEC's regulatory approach. On another note, the US SEC will be handling several spot Bitcoin ETF applications from various financial corporations in the coming months. This indicates ongoing interest and involvement of traditional financial players in the crypto market, seeking regulatory approval for their exchange-traded fund (ETF) offerings. Crypto enthusiasts and market participants are likely to closely follow the developments and statements from the SEC chair, as they may have implications for the crypto industry's future regulation and growth. Xrp New News Update. Kenny Nguyen, a prominent crypto YouTuber and XRP community influencer, believes that certain events in the XRP ecosystem could lead to investors needing only 500 XRP to become millionaires. He has championed the narrative that XRP could experience massive price gains if specific conditions are met. One of these events has already taken place, which was the victory for Ripple in the multi-year lawsuit with the US SEC. Judge Annalisa Torres ruled that XRP itself is not a security, and most of Ripple's XRP sales did not constitute securities, except for institutional sales. This ruling led to a significant rally in XRP's price. Another factor that could drive XRP's price further is the speculation surrounding a potential Ripple initial public offering, IPO. after the conclusion of the SEC lawsuit. Projections for Ripple's valuation upon going public range up to $100 billion if XRP hits $2. Additionally, Ripple's close ties with XRP and the regulatory clarity provided by the court ruling could attract more interest from financial institutions to use XRP, including as a bridge currency for central bank digital currency, CBDC, transactions, potentially leading to a price increase. Some members of the XRP community even believe that XRP could transcend typical crypto offerings and serve as the reserve currency for the United States, or even the world, although such views are seen as speculative by many. Nguyen's forecast of a $1 million return for investors holding just 500 XRP is based on a significant price surge of over 271,676% to reach a price of $2,000 per XRP. However, such a high market cap for XRP, estimated at $105 trillion, seems implausible, given the current financial landscape. While the possibility of XRP hitting $2,000 cannot be entirely ruled out due to the unpredictable nature of the crypto market, it is essential to exercise caution when considering such astronomical price projections, as the market can be highly volatile and subject to various factors. Xrp New News Update. In the case of SEC versus Ripple Labs, Inc., U.S. District Judge Annalisa Torres of the Southern District of New York ruled that Ripple's XRP token is not considered a security in and of itself, and therefore, it does not require registration. The case began when the SEC filed a complaint against Ripple and its executives, alleging that they conducted an unregistered securities offering of XRP, raising more than $1.3 billion. The court analyzed the sale of XRP in three different contexts: institutional sales under written contracts, programmatic sales on digital asset exchanges, and other distributions under written contracts for consideration other than cash. Regarding institutional sales, the court found that they did constitute investment contracts and fit the definition of a security under the Howey test. These sales were directly negotiated between Ripple and institutional buyers, with the understanding that Ripple would use the funds raised to improve the market for XRP and develop uses for the XRP ledger, leading to an increase in the token's value. However, in the other two contexts, the court ruled that the sales of XRP to the public on token exchanges and issuances of XRP to employees and others for services or consideration other than cash did not involve the sale of investment contracts. The court pointed out that programmatic buyers did not know whom they were paying money to, and the recipients of other contributions did not provide tangible and definable consideration. The key takeaway from the court's decision is that XRP tokens themselves are not considered securities. The existence of a security in connection with the sale of XRP tokens depends on whether the transaction involves an investment contract under the Howey test. The ruling implies that only direct issuer sales to purchasers, where purchasers expect the issuer to provide managerial efforts to increase the token's value, are susceptible to being categorized as the sale of securities. The court's decision may favor token issuers in later stages of maturity, where tokens are sold as part of the overall daily volume on a token exchange. However, it does not necessarily address the legality of token issuances in earlier stages of a token issuer's life, such as initial coin offerings, ICOs, or token generation events. It's likely that the SEC will appeal the court's decision, and Ripple may also appeal, as it has been found liable for illegal sales of $729 million of securities. The case's nuances may result in appeals from both sides, and the outcome could have significant implications for the crypto industry and the regulatory landscape for digital assets. Xrp New News Update. Following the favorable outcome for the cryptocurrency industry in the legal standoff between the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, and Ripple, the token at the center of the lawsuit, XRP, has experienced significant gains. XRP briefly reached a price target of 82 cents before retracing below this level. A crypto analyst known as CoinsKid has provided technical analysis, TA, to explain the price movement and potential future scenarios for XRP. In a video streamed on his YouTube channel on July 17, CoinsKid compared the current situation with XRP to that of 2020. He highlighted the possibility of XRP going through a pullback and finding support before potentially making another upward move, similar to its pattern in 2020. The analyst advised his followers to consider buying during pullbacks instead of during big green candlestick movements. CoinsKid also noted that XRP is forming an ascending triangle chart pattern, which suggests a potential three-wave breakout that could lead to a significant increase in the cryptocurrency's value. He took into account the volatility in the crypto market and the possibility of a rebound for the US dollar, projecting that XRP could reach the $6 mark by the end of 2023. The analyst emphasized that the third wave of the ascending triangle should have the power to break the previous high in April 2021 and potentially reach an all-time high, ATH, for XRP. He advised viewers to remain patient and observe the volatile nature of the crypto market, while also considering external factors such as the US dollar index, DXY, which was described as being really oversold at the time of the analysis. As with any price predictions and technical analyses in the crypto space, it is important for investors to exercise caution and remember that the market is highly volatile and subject to rapid changes based on various factors. Market participants should conduct their own research and seek advice from financial professionals before making investment decisions. AI Precious Metals New News Update. According to Commerzbank's latest research, the gold market could remain around $1,950 an ounce throughout the summer due to the Federal Reserve's ongoing interest rate hikes. However, Tu Lan Nguyen, the head of commodity research at the bank, still believes that gold prices will rebound and reach $2,000 an ounce by the end of the year. The research report highlights that the Federal Reserve's hawkish monetary policies are currently the dominant factor influencing the gold market in the near term. Market expectations point to a 25 basis points interest rate hike later this month, and projections from June suggest the central bank could raise rates one more time after the summer. Commerzbank previously assumed that the Federal Reserve would end its hiking cycle in May and hint at the possibility of rate cuts towards the end of the year, which would have significantly boosted gold prices. However, the Fed's current stance indicates that any rate cuts are likely to be postponed. While the research suggests that gold may remain stagnant at current prices for the next 3 months, Commerzbank still believes that the precious metal will end the year strongly. They anticipate that the July rate hike will be the final one of this tightening cycle. As recession fears start to pick up, gold prices are expected to rise, potentially pushing back to $2,000 by year-end. The bank predicts that the impact of the Federal Reserve's sharp rate hikes, coupled with signs of an economic downturn in the US, could lead to an eventual recession, prompting an end to rate hike speculations. If inflation declines further and economic weakness makes rate cuts more likely in the coming year, gold may even reach its all-time high. This completes the AI Xrp New News Updates video. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video for more updates and insights into crypto and finance.